Good morning, guys. Um, the video that I'm going to present today is a review or a lecture of how to trim a capesize vessel of the remaining cargo to load for trimming. So this is I think my third time or fourth time to discuss this topic, but anyway, this is for those who have not uh, for those who want to know about how to trim a capesize vessel of a remaining cargo to load. Okay, so let's start. So this, guys, is a loading sequence or a loading plan of my previous vessel, MB Cape Odyssey. If you notice, the date is today, but this has been what I used during that time when I made this loading sequence. It so happened that the date is already changed by this computer. So the loading port is Port Hedland, Australia, and the discharging port is Gwangyang, South Korea. Okay, the cargo is iron ore. This is a 9 holds vessel, and the total cargo to be loaded should be or is 205,088 metric tons. Okay, so this is the maximum sailing draft is 18 meters 23 centimeters. Okay, and we have only one loader for loading. Okay, and the sequence or the pour is here from pour 1 to 20. Pour 1 to 20. And the loading sequence is start from hold number 6, hold number 4, 8, 2, until holds 1 and 9 for trimming. Okay, so at pour number 18, the vessel will start loading because we are going to compute how much cargo to load for trimming. In this case, the plan has made a plan that in hold number 9, 2,500 metric tons will be loaded in number 9, and number 1 will be 2,500 metric tons with a total of 5,000 metric tons of trimming cargo hold or trimming for cargo hold. Okay, and let's assume, and the sailing drop is midship drop or final drop for sailing is 18 to 3. So by departure, we should have an even keel, no list, at least no trim. So it should be even keel, and the final drop should be 18.23. Okay, so let's assume that you are the chief officer and you're going to make a drop reading together with the drop surveyor, and the drop surveyor is already on board waiting for the signal from the foreman that the loading has finished, and we have to check the draft to compute the remaining cargo to load for trimming. Let's say the foreman has advised at for number 18 that just completed loading in hold number 1 of 10,180 tons, and we have to take a drop survey, a drop reading around the vessel. So you, as a chief officer, and together with the drop surveyor, you have to go around the vessel to take the draft reading. Okay? So you have to use a program for computing the remaining cargo to load. Okay? So this is the program. Says here how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. Okay, so you have to put here your forward draft and aft draft. Okay, so let's say, for example, you as shipmate and the draft survey agreed that your draft forward will be 17.77. so this is draft forward, and your draft forward is 17.77. So you put that in your loading program. Put your forward 17.77. That will be your forward. And the updraft. And the updraft. This one. Go down. The updraft will be 17.96. Okay, 17.96. 17.96. Let's assume that there's no list. So your forward drop will be 17.77 and your updraft is 17.96. Of course, you have to take your midship drop, port and starboard. And what will be your midship drop, port and starboard? And the midship drop here, midship drop is 1787. Okay, so 1787. 1787. That will be your port. And starboard will be 1787.87. And your trim is 19. Okay, so look here, guys. The trim here, according to your computation of your program, is 0.19 or 19 centimeters. And look at your plan. Your plan says your trim should be 19 centimeters. So we have the same, okay? According to your plan, you have a trim of 19 centimeters, okay? Now, your plan says your departure drop, mid-drop, your departure mid-drop should be 23 centimeters, 18 meters, 23 centimeters, okay? So the final mid drop or final departure drop should be 18.23. 18.23 centimeters. Okay. Now you have your final mid, departure mid, and this is your actual mid. So your departure final mid or departure drop, mid drop minus your mid drop, actual mid drop, this will be your sinkage, this value. So 1823 minus 1787 is 36 centimeters or 0.36 meters. Okay, so this will be your sinkage. So from 17.87, how many centimeters would it reach to 18.23? So you have to, it takes 36 centimeters to reach 1823, meaning you have to, the vessel has to sink 36 centimeters to reach the drop of 1823. Okay, and with this final mid-drop, we interpolate the TPC of this final drop. So you have 1823 here, and the interpolation of the TPC will be 13871. So the true TPC of 1823 is 13871, which is this one. Okay. Now, since you have already this sinkage, you can compute the recommended cargo to load for trimming. And this is the formula. The formula is this one. K8, meaning K and 8 is your sinkage times 100 times M3. M and 3 is your TPC. So the formula says K8, meaning your sinkage of 36 times 100 times M3 of TPC 13871, and the value with that will be 4993.6. Okay, so this is the recommended cargo to load for trimming is 4993.6. Okay, now just follow this arrow here. Since this is as a decimal, so we just to round it up with 4,994. Okay, what is 4,994? Okay, so what happens if you load 4,994? Results after loading 449, so your mid-drop will be 18.23, which is almost the same here, and your sinkage is 36.00, which is the same here. Okay, so the next procedure would be this will be the actual cargo to load for trimming. Then you go to trim holes 2. Trim holes 2, this is the one. Go up. And what is this program? Trimming with 2 holes. Okay, trimming with 2 holes. You have here the remaining cargo to load for trimming is 4994, and your cargo for trimming is 4994, and your trimming hold is 1 and 9. Trimming hold should be 9 and 1. Okay, so what is the 1 and 9? So you have now your trimming hold 1 and 9, and you go down. What will be your final trim? The final trim, according to the plan, the trim should be 0. The trim will go down. The trim should be 0 or nil, because you have an even keel, no list. You have the same drop of 1823 forward, 1823 up, and your midship will be 18. Mid drop will be 1823, so you have no 0 trim. So in your program, you put here final trim should be 0. Okay. Now, how much would you load in number 1 and number 9? According to the program, in hold number 1, you should load 2,477. Number 9 hold will be 2516. So I put here 2477 in hold number 1. 2477. 2477. And number 9 should be 2517. 2517. And your trim is 0. And what will be your final draw after loading hole 1 and 9? Okay. So final drop will be forward will be 18.23, up drop will be 18.23, you have 0 trim, and your main drop will be 18.23. So main drop, which is this one, and your mid drop, which is this one. Your mid drop is 18.23003. Okay, this one. And so you will have a deflection of 0. So we go on the other side. Okay, so once you loaded for 4994, and number 1 should recommend to load should be 2477, which you have here, and number 9 is 2517, total of 4994, which is the same here. Okay, and what will be your final drop here? The final drop would be 1823 forward, and up will be 1823. You have 0 trim, and your main would be 18.22525, which is this one, and your mid drop is 18.23, which is this one. 18.23003, and your deflection is 0. Okay, so you get your target sailing drop of 1823, forward 1823, and up drop of 1823. Okay, now let's take this another sample of this another sequence of, let's say your trimming hole is 2 and 8. Go to this hole number 2. Okay. Isa lang. So there's no. So we take, for example, another loading sequence. Okay. When we take example this one, Portland. Okay. So we take this another example of the loading sequence. Now you're still loading in Port Hedland, and this church in South Korea. This time your final, oh, it's the same, huh? Let's take the other one. Sorry. Take this one. So, ba? Take this, take this one out para sigurado. This one, okay? This one. This time, we are loading in Port Hedland, discharge in Gwangyang, South Korea. The total cargo will be 2,665 metric tons, okay? And the trimming hold will be 8 and 2, okay? So upon reaching port number 18, your final, your forward draft will be 1867. So we put 1867, 1867, 1867, 1767, 67, 1967, am I right? 1767, and your updraft will be 1807, okay? Updraft will be 1807, 18.07. So you have a mean drop of 1887. And what will be your port and mid starboard mid drop? According to your mid drop here, will be 1787. Okay. I'm sorry. 1787. Okay. 17.87. Starboard will be 17.87. So that will be your mid drop. And your sailing drop is how much? Maximum sailing drop is 1823. And you have a trim of 20 centimeters. So your final mid departure drop is 1823. So 1823. Put here 18.23. Now, then you still have your sinkage here. So your final mid of 1823 minus your mid drop of 1783, so your sinkage would be 36 centimeters, okay? So with this sinkage of 36 times 100 times TPC, you will have the value of 4994, okay? Again, K8, K in 8, this is your sinkage times 100 times M3 times TPC M and 3 will be your TPC. That will, the value will be 4993.6, okay? So from here, you put 449, you round it up, 4994. What happens if you load 4994? Your mid drop will be 18.23, which is almost the same with this one, and your sinkage is 36603, which is almost the same with this one. Then according to the program, after loading 4994, then you go to trim holes 2. You go to trim holes 2, go up. You have here remaining cargo 4994 and 4994. Now the trimming, this hold would be, this time is hold number 2 and hold number 8. Okay, check. The trimming hold will be 8 and 2 and 2,500 metric tons each for 8 and 2. Okay, and your trim would be 20 centimeters. Okay, so you put here, so put 2 and 8, and your trim should be 20 centimeters. Okay, put here 20. So 20 centimeters. How much would you load in number 2 and 8? According to the program, in number 2, you will load 2,480. So in hole number 2, 2480, 2480, and number 1 and number 8 should be 2514. 2514. Okay, and how much would be your drop? And your trim should be 20 centimeters. And how much would your drop be? Forward drop will be 1813, and up drop will be 1833. And your trim is 20, your main is 1823. So forward says 1813. 18. So your final drop is forward is 1813, and up drop is 1833. So 1833, which is this one. Okay, and your trim is 20 centimeters. The other side. So hole number 2 will be 2480, this one, and hole number 8 will be 2514, with this one, total of 4994, which is the same with this one. And your final drop would be forward will be 1813, 1813, and your updraft will be 1833. Updraft is 1833, and your trim should be 20 centimeters. Trim is 20 centimeters. Okay, and your main drop will be 1823.026, which is this one, and your mid is 1823.03, which is this one, your mid. Okay, and your deflection would be 0. Okay, so that's it, guys. Now I would explain further that if you follow this recommended cargo to hole for trimming, you will never be short of cargo or overload of cargo. Okay, but according to the, let's say, look at here, this is 4994. Okay, 4994. But according to the plan, loading plan, you have to load 5,000. Okay, says 5,000. So let's say we put 5,000 here. 5,000. Take note of this midship drop. So 5,000 is mid drop would be 1823.046, which is almost the same here, and your sinkage is 03646. Okay, so we go to the trimming holes 2, And here you have 5,000, 5,000. How much is recommended to load for? You have 20 centimeters here. And it says recommended to load forward will be 2482. 2482. Okay. 2482. And 2518 in hold number 8. 2518, and the final drop would be the same. Forward is 1813, up is 1813, trim is 20 and 1823 mean, so you still have a deflection here. Let's say on the other side. So hold 2 you have 2482, which is this one. Hold 8 is 2518, which is this one, total of 5,000. And your final drop is 1813, forward up is 1833 of 20 centimeter stream, and your mean is 23069. And so you have a zero deflection. But look guys, if you load 5,000, you have more of 00.46, and this one 00.46. But if you follow this recommended cargo toll is 4994. 4994. Look guys, the midship drop is almost the same, 23, and the sinkage is this one, the same. So I would recommend whatever the program recommends the amount of cargo to load, you just follow this one. Okay, you will never exceed your amount cargo to load, you will never get less, so you will never get overload or short of cargo. Just follow what the program has recommended for loading. So that's it guys. I hope you will like this video or video presentation. If you like this video, just click the like button, share and subscribe, and have a good day.